Ubbi on-the-go refill bags, lavender scented. Valued by Ubbi is one of the best baby diaper disposal bags products. The Ubbi on-the-go bag refills are part of an entire on-the-go collection, making diaper changes quick and easy. Each roll contains 12 lavender-scented bags that are durable and easy to pull. While made to fit the Ubbi bag dispenser, the refills fit most bag dispensers. Enter the world of Ubbi, where innovative products are designed and created with parents and children in mind. Under the Ubbi name, you will find unique, quality products that are easy to use, helping to simplify parents' lives while keeping babies as happy and safe as can be. Thanks to its award-winning can of steel, Ubbi is now recognized brand worldwide. The Ubbi diaper pail is renowned for its ability to achieve maximum odor control and appreciated for offering the convenience and value of utilizing any standard trash bag or reusable cloth liner, a breakthrough in the diaper disposal market. With the same customer-focused philosophy and innovative design capabilities, the Ubbi brand is now expanding its signature diapering selection and extending into the feeding category. A wide range of Ubbi-branded products is now available for today's modern parents that are looking for stylish and functional baby essentials. From concept to a final creation, the Ubbi team works together every step of the way to bring the best in design and value. The input of every member of the team is taken into account in the development of the Ubbi products, but consumer input is the most important, as customer satisfaction is the manufacturer's primary goal. 12 bags per roll. Each roll contains 12 bags, for 36 total bags. Durable and easy to use, each bag is perforated for easy pull and tear. Lavender scented, each bag is lavender scented, keeping your diaper bag smelling fresh. Multi-use, on-the-go bag refills are a great item for quick cleanup for baby or pet. Fits many bag dispensers, made to fit the Ubbi bag dispenser, but fits with many other dispensers. Trendy on-the-go collection. The Ubbi bag dispenser is a part of a trendy on-the-go collection, making diaper changes quick and easy. Perfect for registry and baby showers, a registry must-have or giftable for new parents on the go. Additional Ubbi collections. Collections include diapering, toilet training, feeding, bath, and nursery items.